welcome back to another video, guys. We're going to be making some blueberry oats bar. You want 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, going in with 1 cup of oatmeal. Now I just blend this ahead of time. I have here some dehydrated sugarcane juice, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, nutmeg. All your ingredients will be listed in the description box. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. If you have coconut oil, you can go right ahead and use it. Reserve 1 cup of your mixture, and the remaining amount we're going to put it in a baking pan, right? Going in with 2 cups of frozen blueberries. If you have fresh blueberries, go right ahead. 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to add some lime zest, just to bring up the flavor a little bit and to make it more, you know, vibrant. Just a little. We're also going to use the lime juice. Adding 2 tablespoons of chia seed to the blueberries to just thicken them up. If you do not have chia seed, you can always use cornstarch. Now you could just easily turn this into a jam, just make the reduction more. Because you're using the chia seed, it will absorb all the liquid. So we're just going to rest this for a little while and then we proceed in making it. The oats that we had reserved for the crumble, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of shredded coconuts. If you have nuts, you can use them. We're going to go in with our hands, okay? And our blueberries. Want to make sure you cover the blueberries even. Now we're going to go in with our crumble. No guys, this is a breakfast treat, or can bring it to work for a snack or give the kids to take to school. I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. It's a must try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.